Hello and welcome in a new tutorial. I will be talking today about enemies and how to make an enemy reduce your player health or kill your player or any other action you want. The most important part in this is how to know that your player reached your enemy or an interaction happened between your character and the enemy. The spot that will affect your player. In my way, I will be using areas. Why areas? Areas has a collision shape. I can put areas inside my character player and inside my object, and once an interaction happens between the collision shapes of those areas, I can launch the action I want. It could be reducing health, killing the player, or any other action. Today I will be moving the player whenever my player touches the spikes here. I will moving the player backwards so I can try again so you can see it many times. So first, as I said, I want to go into my character here. It is a kinematic body. I click plus icon, I write area and I add area. I already added an area. I named it player. Double click and rename it as you want. Godot will ask you to add a collision shape for this area. It's the borders of this area actually. So you add a collision shape inside this player area also, plus again collision shape, this collision shape, click create or add, then draw your collision shape. I draw it a box around my player. Then I go to spikes node. I want the area moving with those spikes. So those spikes are going up and down by a code I already did. I have here a GD script for moving these spikes. So I need the area to be moving with these spikes. So I click on cube. It's a moving bar. So I click plus, also area, and I click create. I name the area DD. You can name it the name you want. And also it needs a collision shape. Here in my case you can see I drew a box around my spikes. Whenever my player reaches this box, the action will be released. So this is the first step. An area inside my character, an area inside my object. Then we go to coding. How to code this? You can go to this area inside my object and write the code, or inside your character. I will go to my character area. Next to the inspector here to the right, you can see node. It has signals. Each signal will be launched after something happen. You can read the first condition, an area entered. What does it mean? What does it mean? If an area entered my player's area, this code will be launched, and this is what I want. Is there any other options? Yes. For example, a body entered, body exited. So you can work with it without areas, without any adding area in the object, but I prefer to add areas in both object and player. Double click on the red line here beside the red icon. It will ask you to attach this signal with a GD script. I already have a GD script inside my kinematic body that moves the spikes up and down, so I can click connect. I already did that. When you do that, it will a green icon will be appeared. When you double click on it, it will move you to the code of the function. You can see the function of an area entered. It has a variable named area. Whenever an area entered your player area, Godot will get its name and record it here. So all I have to do is to write this if condition. I will ask Godot if the area dot get name, it means if the area, this area, is named dd, then what does it mean? It's like I'm asking Godot if the area that entered my player area is the spikes area, which I named it dd. You can name it whatever you want here. I named it dd to the left. You can name it مثلا, for example, cc. Here in the code you have to update it if it is cc, like this. What happened? I want global transformation. I want to move my bear on the x-axis by 3 backwards. That's it. You can here write the code that will reduce your player health or that will kill your player node character. So let's try. Let's give that a try. I go to the main scene and launch the game. Here we are. The spikes are moving up and down, and my character, my simple character, is ready to test the condition. I will step under the, and once interaction happen, it sends me backwards by 3. If I wait and pass, I did it. Once again, if I move and touch it, I will be backwards by 3. You can add the action you want. You can kill your character or reduce health. You can activate music. If I move near this stairs, for example, I want a music of danger or action music be started. You can do this with areas like this. Thank you for watching, and wait me in another videos.